Hi everybody, today's video, it's a quick tip video. Debbie, she replaced the water supply valve on her bathroom toilet, but she noticed that there were a few extra parts. She wants to know what those extra parts are for. So this is a water supply valve, and this right here is the part that Debbie's talking about. And what it is it's a compression nut. But inside, there's also an additional part. And it's this part right here, and it's called a ferrule. In the UK, you guys call it an olive. Now, interestingly, once the ferrule and the compression nut are removed, a water supply line like this one here is screwed right into the water supply valve. Maybe you're thinking, well, if the water supply line here is just screwed into the valve, then what's the nut and the ferrule for? There are two different kinds of water supply lines. There's the braided kind that's very flexible, and then there's the kind that's rigid. You can't bend it. The manufacturer of the water supply valve doesn't know you as a homeowner. They don't know if you're going to use the rigid water supply line, like this one here, or the flexible water supply line like this one. So they just provide both options for you. They allow you to choose whether or not you're going to use a flexible or a solid water supply line. It's just about options. So our rigid supply line here, it can only be installed with a compression nut and a ferrule. Or the flexible water supply line, which screws right on. Next time you're opening up that water supply valve and you see those two extra parts, well, you'll know what they're for. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.